Mr. Shooksta, the mic isn't working.
Chrissy, I don't think they're from around here.
TJ, have you lost it or something?
No, he's right. We're actually from the future.
Yeah, and we're here to take all the 2030s to give you a far-out tour. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what the future looks like.
Alright, just sit back and relax as we get on our broomsticks and fly through the space-time continuum closet. Halloween Town 2? Anybody? Somebody? Nobody?
Or we could just use the time machine. I like that idea a lot better.
First stop on this tour is California.
California? What's so special about California?
Well, nothing. Except that it's an island now.
What? California? An island? The California?
California. I wish they all could be California. I wish they all could be California.
But now at least we don't have to hear about them in every other song.
And on the bright side, at least the government hasn't changed that much.
Well, actually, the first woman president had just been elected. Now we rule the world.
Speak for yourself.
Our next stop on the tour is the Robot Factory. Robot Factory? Yep, in the future everyone owns their own personal robot.
And technology does all the work.
Technology. 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 Technology.
This is great and all, but I thought the world was supposed to end in 2012.
No, that was a myth. The class of 2012 just took over.
next stop is the television of the 2030s.
What? You don't have anything better than TV yet?
Some things never change. Jersey Shore is just as popular as ever on season 35.
Get crazy, get wild, let's party, get loud. If you wanna have fun, we'll do something crazy. Get crazy, get wild, let's party, get loud. If you wanna have fun, we'll do something crazy.
Entertaining laundry, you gotta stay fresh with it. Yeah, it's time to beat that beat up, 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 beat that beat up.
Really? The Jersey Shore?
They've really contributed a lot to research for a cure for skin cancer.
And America's Best Dance Crew is the #1 show in the universe.
Tempo has reached critical level. Tempo has reached critical level.
Bounce. Like you. Bounce. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Bounce. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Bounce.
Bob Barker came back to The Price is Right.
Man, I can look in the future right now.
Alright, let's move on. Where should we bring them now?
The Clone Factory?
What?
Yes, the Clone Factory. Here we are.
Whoa, I'm seeing double.
A double pleasure is waiting for you. A double pleasure from Double Makeup. A double great feeling, making you realize double is the one for you.
Double your pleasure, double your fun. It's the right one with double makeup.
The world would be so much better if there were really pussies walking around.
No. But speaking of a better world, what about world peace?
Oh yeah, there's world peace, and a lot of it too.
Here in the 2030s, there are no wars. We all get along and we are all one world. There comes a time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying. The greatest gift of all. We are the world. We are the world. We are the children. The children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. Let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. A choice we're making. We're saving our lives. It's true, we'll make a better day. Just you and me.
That sounds like a great place to live.
To me, a great world would be flying around in my hot pink convertible.
Well, here in the future, your car will actually fly.
Now look at Mars. What do you see?
People? People live on Mars?
No, we're not that advanced yet. However, some people live on the moon.
Some people call me the space cowboy.
I know a bar out in Mars where they driving spaceships instead of cars.
The future looks great and all, but what does Alvin look like in the future? I think that's what we all really want to know.
Yeah, great idea. But don't be too mad about how great things have gotten. I absolutely love coming here. One of the best things is the national award-winning percussion ensemble. state championships.
Wait, we actually win?
Meet a ball. Stop lying.
Alright, we don't win championships, but we still do win sportsmanship awards all the time. And there's still cows.
Don't forget, they fixed the lower parking lot stairs. And best of all, there really is a pool on the 4th floor now.
Really?
Yeah, but there's only one rule. Don't pee in the pool.
Please don't pee in the pool. Listen to me, that's just not cool. If you only follow this one rule, listen to me, please don't pee in the pool.
So we've seen pretty much all there is to see. So this concludes our tour. Time to return to 2011.
Wow, that was also great. Thanks so much, guys.
Chrissy, I think they left. But wait, here's a note. It reads,
Dear class of 2012 and Alvin students, the future is what you make it. Remember, no matter how bad your day was, and no matter what we mourn over, there will be always a time to celebrate. So don't forget the memories we've made these past 4 years, because discovering the future will be the best times of our lives. But together, we will always be Broncos.
it said, remember no matter how bad your day was.
As you had a bad day, you take it one down. You sing a sad song just to turn it around. You say you don't know, you tell me don't lie. You work and smile and you go alright. You have a bad day. You had a bad day.
No matter what we mourn over.
If I die young, bury me in sand, lay me down on a bed of roses, sink me in the river at dawn, send me away with the words of a love song. Lord.
There will always be a time to celebrate. So don't forget the memories you've made these past 4 years together.
Study. Dodgeball. Video night. Sports. Pep rallies. Band. Studio 19. Friends. Prom. Graduation.
Discovering the future will be the best times of our lives.
Dirty bit.
together, we will always be Alvin Broncos.